How to buy JOOCE token. So this token came under the symbol of JOOCE. Now before it starts, this is not financial advice. I'm not professional or economic expert. So before investing in any project that you find on my channel, please do your research. And also, there is a referral code now in the description. You can get free money rewards on crypto with the best referral code. Simply use the codes below, fund your account, and enjoy the benefits. Check them out in the description. Now before going on buy this token, make sure to check the X account and keep following the updates about this token. So as you can see, this token, it's available on the screener. It's created 12 days ago. Now to be able to buy this token, copy the token address from here. As you can see, this token address, it came under the base network. Open your wallet. For that, I will use the BTK wallet. I will log into my wallet first to be able to buy this token. Now after that, what you need to do, select the base as a network from here. And after that, what you need to do, click on this plus icon to add this token to your wallet. Now place the token address that you copy from the screener. This is our token. Click on this plus icon to add it to your wallet. Go back to your wallet and find your token that you just added. Now keep scroll down until you find it. So this is our token. Click on it and here click on swap. Make sure to switch it from here. From the top, select the token that you want to buy with, for example USDC, and make sure you have enough USDC on your wallet. Now that type how much you want to buy, and here you will be able to see how much you receive. Now after that, what you need to do, make sure to read all of that information here. And now click on swap and you will be able to buy this token. So this is how to buy the JOOCE token. If you found this very helpful, please like and subscribe. See you in the next video.